beautiful love bugs, welcome back to my channel. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, guys, go ahead and subscribe down below, and also click on that notification bell next to it so you guys can be notified whenever I upload videos. So today, guys, I want to talk about this unit here. So guys, I purchased this unit here, which I'm gonna read off from my phone. I purchased this unit back in, I think it was in May, but I'm gonna go ahead and apply my reading glasses, guys. And I purchased this wig back in May, I think, 2017, and is a wig from unit from WowAfrican. And this wig here, it was longer than this. I went to a stylist that I know that she specializes in relaxers and cuttings and all of that. So I went to her and let her cut the wig on me. So this wig here has 130 density. It's a 360 lace wig, silky straight Malaysian virgin hair. The length is in a 12-inch. Since I knew I was getting it cut, I didn't want to get a long length, so it came in a 12-inch. And the color is still natural. And by the way, I have not bleached the knots, any of that. I'm going to still do that. I'm thinking about coloring the wig. I'm thinking about it. I'm not quite sure. I might just say that for the spring and do me like some auburn, not auburn, but maybe like blonde streaks or something. Or do an ombre look or whatever. I'm not quite sure. And the cap size is average, which is 22/22.5 inches. And the lace color is light brown. And I paid, what, $149 for it. And it is a nice unit, y'all. I'm loving this unit. And I went for this style. I kind of wanted a little bit longer on one side and then shorter on this side here. And you can part it different ways here. I know I can't show it much. I hadn't bleached the knots or anything, but I did glue it down. And let me remove my glasses. And I did glue it down using Got to Be glue. And it's not just glued down, just tight. And I love the feeling. It's very comfortable the way I have it. And I have maybe just like 2 cornrow braids going to the back. And I'm going to turn around in the back so you guys can see it. I didn't curl it or anything. I just let it just fall like this here. I did have it curled at one time. But when I washed the wig, I just let it, air dry it like this. I put a little, I might have put a little setting mousse on it. I think I did. I'm not quite sure. I can't really remember. I hadn't worn it in a while. And I wanted to come and share this with you. I will have a picture inserted somewhere probably so you guys can see what the original wig looked like before I had it styled. And so far I'm loving it. It don't shed. I hadn't really seen any shedding. And it's just, it's a great wig. I love it. And I went for this style because when I got it done, it was back in the summertime. And I didn't want a long wig because it's too hot. It was in Louisiana. It's very hot. And I didn't want any hair down my back. Hot as, in the hot weather. So yeah, and I got it cut like this. So I'm thinking that I'm going to wear it mainly for the winter, y'all. What you think? And I love it. And you don't have to really tuck it behind your ear. I just didn't really glue it all the way down like I really wanted it. But you could either wear it like this or whatever. But yeah, let me fix my necklace. And if you can curl it, you can do like the curl one. And I just kind of wanted it like this. You know how that just a choppy look kind of? You know, it don't really have to be just perfect, but this is really like how I like it. So yeah, and I just wanted to share this wig, and I'm gonna make sure that I have all information down below in the description section so you guys can go check it out. And I was trying to see, no, I didn't have a discount code. I don't know if I did use someone discount code. I'm not quite sure. I can't remember way back. But yeah, and this wig here is very nice. I love it. And I'm glad I did order this wig. And yeah, I might think about getting another one. And yeah, guys. So this is it. And so far, like I mentioned, no shedding. No tangling. And it's perfect. It's just perfect. It's very perfect, if I can say so. I have gotten a lot of wigs from different places. I also make my own wigs sometimes. But I haven't done one in a long time because I work. And I've been busy with work. And then I don't really get the time to really do it like I really want to. But I can. I'm going to start back soon. But yeah, I just been purchasing wigs, so a little bit easier. And I didn't put the strap on. The elastic band strap, I didn't put that on. So I just glued the front part down. And I'm also share with you guys in another video that might be coming soon, just how I remove my wig, you know, when I have it glued down. So, and I do have the Got To Be spray in the yellow can, and I have the Got To Be glue, and this is just a smaller thing of it. I do have a large thing of it, but it's about gone. So I ran into a beauty supply store and just picked this one up, but I'm going to get me another big one as well. So yeah, guys, that is it. So until next time, you guys be blessed. And don't forget to be a blessing. And I will see all of you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.